Good morning, students. Today we shall be studying about chemical properties of amines. First topic is acylation. Acylation means the process of introducing an acyl group into any molecule is known as acylation. With aliphatic amines, primary and secondary amines, but not the tertiary amines because they do not contain the hydrogen atom on the nitrogen atom, undergo nucleophilic acylation reaction. When treated with acid chloride or acid anhydride or ester to form N-substituted amides. The amides formed here do not react further with acid chlorides or anhydrides because the amide is non-basic and poor nucleophile due to the delocalization of lone pair over the carbonyl carbon. If acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride is used as acylating agent, an acetyl group is introduced into the molecule and the process is known as acetylation. So here I have written few examples, like it's a general reaction when any acyl chloride is made to react with amine, it form N substituted amide. And it is shown with the primary amines. With secondary amines, the product will be N disubstituted amide. Now even you know about the acetylation. In acetylation, there is a introduction of acetyl group like I have shown here. I have taken ethanamine. When made to react with acetyl chloride, the product formed is N-ethyl ethanamide. Same way, when aromatic amines like aniline, when made to react with the acetyl chloride, it will form N-phenyl ethanamide. Here the reaction is shown with the acetic anhydride. The product formed is N-phenyl ethanamide and acetic acid is formed. Next is benzolation. The reaction of amines with the benzoyl chloride is known as benzolation. Like here I have shown, we have taken methanamine and C6H5COCl. It will form N-methylbenzeneamide. Next very important reaction, that is carbyl amine reaction. Carbyl amine reaction is shown only by the primary amines. Whether it is aliphatic or aromatic, both aliphatic and aromatic primary amines on heating with chloroform and ethanolic KOH form isocyanides or carbylamines which are having the bad smell or the foul smell. Secondary and tertiary do not give this test. It means this reaction can be used to distinguish between the primary, secondary and the tertiary amines. Only the primary amine will give this test. Secondary and tertiary amines do not show this test. Next is a reaction with nitrous acid. Nitrous acid is HNO2. It is unstable, so it is freshly prepared. To prepare it, sodium nitrite is made to react with HCl. And primary, secondary and the tertiary amines react differently with the nitrous acid. Like here we have shown with the ethanamine, when made to react with nitrous acid, it will form diazonium salt, which further on hydrolysis in water form the ethyl alcohol.